Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be working on this toolbox. It's got spanners in it, ratchet spanners. The latch here snapped, so I've got the replacement latch from tool station, so that's what we're gonna fit. So just gonna line it up like this. Okay, so just gonna do this side now. So the original latch was a plastic one. Just gonna line it up. There we go. Nice and easy. So you can get these fastening buckles from tool station or anywhere from hardware store. There we go, nice and easy. I hope this video is gonna help you fix your spanner case. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video.